Hi, welcome back to my channel on Hypnosis and NLP Law of Attraction. And this particular video, many people have asked me, sir, how can I start doing hypnosis with my friends and when I go to the party? Now, in this video, I am going to show you, and not to show you, I will teach you step by step how you can start doing hypnotic inductions for fun. When you go to a party, meeting or anywhere, or you can use it on street hypnosis. Many street hypnosis, they use the same technique. So, my friend, before we go into it, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification to get notified for the next videos, and we'll be uploading a lot of videos now. And I'm going to teach you simple, basic, but simple technique, easy to understand and learn it. So, again, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and hypnotherapist. And now, my friend, let's come back to the main lesson. When people attend my workshops, they come and ask me sometimes, sir, how can I start doing this in a new place with the new people? So my friend, listen carefully. It is very, very easy. Now, if you have not watched my previous videos, please watch them. You start with the suggestibility test, where I call it imagination games. Now, before you do that, when you meet friends and things, you talk about the power of mind, power of imagination, and then you can start doing in a group of people. Always do in a group of people, not one or two. Do it at least 4 or 5 people. I'll tell you why. And then you can start with any image game, maybe this one or the bank and balloon. Start with one, whichever you are comfortable with. If you have not learned this, go and watch my previous videos on my playlist on Learn Hypnosis Now. We have a lot of imagination game. Watch and learn it. And once you have done that, then you observe the people who are following instruction well. Find a person who is doing very well with the imagination game, like the hand goes like this, or sometimes you can see people going like this, or the finger comes closer tightly, or at least 1 or 2 you do them, and then pick up the person who does it well and put them into instant hypnosis, which you might have already learned in my previous videos, and then start doing fun. Now, this is the way you start it. What does this? This imagination game, what it does is first they condition them, and then for you as a hypnotist, you can look at them and find out who is following your instruction well, who is going deeper, whose imagination is good, and then you can convert actually their imagination game into a deep state of hypnosis using instant hypnosis. Watch my videos. If you have not know how to do it, I have a lot of videos on YouTube on instant hypnosis. You can use it and have a lot of fun. And then you want to do something more, get something on stage hypnosis and things like the hand stuck, the leg stuck, and all these things routine we teach in the workshop. You can use that. So this is how you can start with your group of friends and party or meeting wherever you are. I always do that. Whenever I go to a party, recently I went to a marriage party and I was talking to my friends. A lot of people know I'm a hypnotist, so they asked me, show me something. I said, I can't do hypnosis here, but I can show you the power of your mind. Are you willing to know the power of your mind and power of your imagination? 4 or 5 people said yes. And then I started with a gas balloon with a game. And then when I find one person's hand was really doing very well, I picked up the person and put him into instant hypnosis, did hypnotic anesthesia. And then I did a lot of other things like name amnesia, leg stuck, hand stuck, a lot of things I did with them. So, what happened then? Everybody started looking at you. They were surprised. And they have fun, and you get a lot of rapport, you get people start you become more famous, you can have more fun. And then when you're done on one person, then you can move to the second person, who is the second best. Now, if he has seen you what you're doing on the first person, the second person automatically follows. This is herd psychology. That's how stage hypnosis is also done. So, start with this, and if you have any question about this, write on a comment. I will make another video and give it to you. And this is a simple technique. I use it all the time, and you can also do it. Stage hypnosis or the street hypnosis all over the world, they use the same technique and they find it very, very useful, and they can do it anywhere, whatever the situation is, whether noisy, bar. I have done in a bar, I have done in the train, and I have done in the flight also. Yes, in the flight. Not the air hostess, the person sitting next to me, because he had some problems and he came to know that I am a hypnotist. They asked me for a problem, I did this on them, and then had fun. So practice this on few people, master it, and then have fun and give me a comment and like and share. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Plus, if you really want to attend the live training program which I conduct mostly in Hyderabad nowadays or out of country, whenever I'm available in India, click on the link below. The workshop is happening. Register for the workshop right now and come to the workshop and attend this full day training program where you learn by doing it. I will give you a demo, explain to you, and then you practice on each other so that you get all the confidence to do it when you go out of the workshop. So looking forward to seeing you personally soon. All the best. Thank you very much and look for our next video. Thank you.